guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video inside of text effect on CapCut PC. So add in your video, go to library and add in a black stock video, add that on top, add in your text right here, and then here you can also change the font as well. I think I'm just going to stretch it a little bit here. Then you're going to also adjust the font here, select both the font and the background, right click, and then select create compound clip. Go to blend mode, then you're just going to select darken. If your video background is white, you're just going to select the screen or brighten blend mode. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.